Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. Wanted to give you a quick update because what we see here is potentially the beginning of a new move up, all right? So we are, in my last video, I did explain to you that what we see here on the chart is a 5-wave structure. In my view, we've got the wave 1 finished, came down in a wave 2, completed that, came up in, or are currently coming up in this major wave 3. Now within that major wave 3, what we currently here see is a wave 1 completed, came down in a wave 2, so waves within waves, yeah. So that's what I talk about on my second channel as well, More Trading Online. You can find a link in the description, but I'll try to keep it as simple as possible. Basically what we've seen here is a smaller wave 1 and a wave 2 correction here. Now we've come into the target area. I showed you that target area in the last video. We already had hit it then. And what we can see here is now the first beginning of an impulsive move to the upside in my view. So I think, you know, we could come down into the area again. Yeah, it's not yet confirmed that we can't do that anymore. I think the uptrend is only confirmed after we really come above 225 here. However, and I just want to show you first of all why that target box. Well, if we take the fib levels, the beginning of that wave 1 all the way to the top, you can see that we are sitting here between the 0.887 and the 0.618 fib level. Yeah, so between 115 and 148 pretty much. Yeah, so this is based on the Elliott Wave method, the ideal target range for a retracement. Now we've come already where we came into the target box, which is why we've achieved the target basically based on the Elliott Wave targets. So from here, I think what we are seeing here is the first beginning, because what you see here is nice higher highs and higher lows. We've also come above the 20-day and the 50-day moving average, and so it's not yet confirmed that this finally is the breakout, but we could still come into that area anymore. But this chart is looking really interesting and really good. And overall, this move here projects prices of so better like that. This move here projects price of up to $4. That's what I think, you know, 4, maybe even a little bit more. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structure. But so in that, considering we've only completed that wave 1 here now, came down in a 2, you'll have a 3 retracement and a wave 3 to the upside now, which is always the longest wave. Honestly, that could take us already. If I take here the levels. So that could already take us here above $3, you know, above the 1.618 fib level. Basically from that wave 1 here, the extension to the 1.618 is certainly possible. We could reach that in the wave 3 now, which is normally the longest wave. Bear in mind, this will only be the wave 3 within this larger wave 3, and I see prices here. And to be honest, I can't give you a time frame because Elliott Waves don't allow us to give time frames. But what I would say, in the next couple of months, and again, don't take that with a pinch of salt, you know, the time frames. But in the next couple of months, price of $4, which is why, you know, I think there is a possibility we come down once more into the target range. But I just bought because I don't want to miss this pump, and also we could obviously drop once more, but even then I think we'll remain in here. I think that it's quite likely that we wouldn't drop below this. So I take, not the gamble, but I take the informed decision that I go in now, knowing that we could come down once more into the yellow target box, but the potential is just based on this wave count and what the extension levels, the projections tell us, that we could come into much higher levels around $4. This is why I have just bought. Just want to make you aware of it. I think this is the beginning of an uptrend. And yeah, hope you liked that video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.